there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process video for you in my Traveler's Notebook. In this video, I am using the January 2020 Good Life bundle, and that sheet that I've put there on the left side is just a printable. It's part of the Journal Me kit, and it is just ready to print out and just stick in your notebook like I've done here. I have it sized for different notebooks. This is obviously the Traveler's Notebook size, and then I have picked out a paper to stick on the left side, and I've just stuck them down there with double-sided tape, and I'm trimming the edges here to fit in my notebook. And now I'm ready to get started here. I have two photos here of me and my son Magnus. Some nice cozy pictures. So I think I'm going to make a tag here for the little photo. I'm just kind of marking it so that it will fit behind the bigger photo. And then once I have that tag cut down to the correct sizes, I will do a little embellishing on it, and then I will use some thin double-sided tape to stick down my bigger photo just on the sides and the bottom, so I create a little pocket. And then I can stick the tag down there. So now I'm just looking through the pocket cards to see if there are any that I want to use here on the tag. I think I decide not to at this point. And I'm just going to back the photo here a little bit with some white paper. Yeah, so now I'm just going through my stash here and pulling out some different papers that I think match with what I've got going on, and I'll just create some fun layers, and then I'll either be using my double-sided tape or my stapler to tape everything together. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.